Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I find the sun setting over the water to be so beautiful and so peaceful. Unfortunately, I do not live on the waterfront, but thanks to this piece of art from Kreative Arts, I don't have to, and I can still enjoy the look of the sun setting outside my window. So I love the detail on this print and how easy it was to hang. It comes well packaged, so it arrived safely, and I appreciate the fact that not only does it have two hooks on the back in order to be able to center it on your wall and hang it easily, but I also like the fact that it has this strip all around the edge that's of this soft material, so that if you're sliding it up and down and into place, you're not going to damage your wall, you're not going to scrape the wall or the surface of the wall, because it has this soft strip all the way around the outside of the frame. I find this piece of art realistic, beautiful, tranquil, and if you catch it in just the right light, it looks like there is literally a window at my office wall looking out into the sea, watching the sunset.
So it was exactly what I was hoping for, a beautiful, realistic view of the sun over the water that I can enjoy in my office, even though my location is not on the water. And that is my point of view.